Now children, we will see this sum 58 divided by 3. 58 is the first number, so it is the dividend. It is gone inside the house. 58. Okay. Divided by 3. 3 is the second number, so 3 is the divisor. So 3 will come outside the house. So 58 divided by 3. So 3 table we have to count. Now just pay attention. This is 58. When you take the table of 3, you have to see 3 tens are 30. Last one is 3 tens are 30. That means 3 table stops at 30. See the first digit 5. This 5 is greater than this 3. ये 5 3 से बड़ा है. 5 is greater than 3. So you will take, when the first digit is greater than this number here, that time you will take one digit at a time. You will not divide 58 fully. You will divide one digit at a time. So when you will divide one digit at a time, when the first digit, what is the first digit here? 5. 58 full को divide नहीं कर सकते हम. We cannot divide this 58 fully by this 3. So we have to divide 58 by one digit at a time. Okay? Why we cannot divide 58 fully at one time only by this 3? Because this 5 is bigger than this 3. So we will divide 58 by dividing one digit at a time. So first digit is 5. So we will divide this 5. This 5 is big than this 3, no? So if it was less than this 3, then we would have taken the full number. We would have divided the full number. But now this 5 is bigger than this 3. So we have to divide one digit at a time. So 3 ones are 3. We have to divide 3 ones are 3. Okay? 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. So which one you will take? You will take 3 or you will take 6? You will take which one? 5. 5 में से कौन सा माइनस कर सकते हैं? 3 माइनस कर सकते हैं कि 6 माइनस कर सकते हैं? क्या माइनस कर सकते हैं? We cannot minus 6 from this 5. We can minus 3 from this 5. So 3 goes in which table? 3 ones are 3. Okay? So 5 minus 3 is 2. Now you see this 8 over here in the unit place. So this 8, I am drawing the arrow. Now we will bring this 8 over here down. So what is the number we get? 28. Now we can divide this full. We can divide this full number. Why? 28. We don't have to take one digit at a time because this 2, and look at this 3. This 2 is smaller than this 3. So when this first digit is smaller than the 3, that time we can take the full number 28. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Now which table will go in this? From 28, what you can minus? Can you minus 30? No, because 30 is big than 28. So smaller 30 के बाद which number is that? 27. 27, can you minus 27 from 28? Yes. So you will take 3 nines are 27. So 8 minus 7 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. So you understand now? You have to take one digit at a time. When you take one digit, when you cannot divide the full number. Why you cannot divide the full number? Because the first digit is bigger than the divisor. When the first digit is bigger than the divisor, then you cannot divide the full number. Then you have to divide one digit at a time. You cannot divide 58 by 3 fully. So you have to divide first 5. First you will divide 5. Then you divided 5, you got 2 answer. Then this 8 you brought down from the unit place. So you got 28. Then you have to divide 28 fully. Why? Why? Because this 2 is smaller than this 3. So when this first digit is smaller than this 3, then you can divide the full number 28. Okay? So you got 3 9s are 27. So what is it here? 19. And what is it here? 1. So 19 is your Q. What is 19? 19 is your Q. And what is your R? Your R is 1. Remainder. So understood Q and R? So you have to learn this division properly.